To embody the qualities of a millionaire, one must cultivate a unique blend of mindset, habits, and skills. A millionaire's journey often begins with a robust mental framework, characterized by a relentless pursuit of goals, resilience in the face of challenges, and a positive outlook on opportunities. Setting clear, realistic financial goals and maintaining a disciplined focus on achieving them is fundamental. Financial literacy is a cornerstone of millionaire success. Understanding investments, managing debt, and making informed financial decisions are crucial. Continuous learning about market trends, asset classes, and economic indicators empowers millionaires to navigate the complexities of wealth creation. Strategic thinking is another vital quality. Millionaires are adept at identifying opportunities and mitigating risks. They possess a keen understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, leveraging their strengths while seeking professional advice to address areas of weakness. Networking and building strong relationships within and beyond their industry contribute to their success. Hard work and perseverance are non-negotiable. Millionaires often have a strong work ethic, dedicating time and effort to their pursuits. They view challenges as opportunities to grow and push boundaries. Overcoming failures and setbacks is a common thread in their narratives, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Effective time management is key. Millionaires prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and maximize productivity. They recognize the value of time as a finite resource and allocate it wisely to achieve their goals. A balance between work and personal life is maintained to sustain long-term success and well-being. In terms of lifestyle, many millionaires practice frugality. While they may enjoy the fruits of their labor, they are mindful of expenses and prioritize investments over lavish expenditures. This disciplined approach to spending contributes to sustained financial growth. Innovation and adaptability distinguish millionaires from the rest. They stay ahead of trends, embrace change, and continuously seek ways to improve and optimize. Technological advancements are harnessed to streamline processes and stay competitive in a dynamic environment. Philanthropy often plays a significant role in the lives of millionaires. Many actively engage in charitable endeavors, recognizing the importance of giving back to society. This not only contributes to the greater good, but also enhances their sense of purpose and fulfillment. Finally, effective communication is a hallmark of millionaire success. Whether negotiating deals, leading a team, or building connections, the ability to articulate ideas clearly and persuasively is invaluable. Millionaires cultivate strong interpersonal skills to navigate the complexities of both professional and personal relationships. In essence, the journey to becoming a millionaire involves a holistic approach that encompasses mindset, financial acumen, hard work, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous improvement. It's a journey marked by resilience, discipline, and a vision that extends beyond personal success to contribute positively to the broader community. To become a millionaire, focus on saving, investing wisely, and increasing your income. Start by creating a budget, saving consistently, and cutting unnecessary expenses. Invest in a diversified portfolio for long-term growth. Explore opportunities for additional income streams, such as side hustles or investments in real estate. Continuously educate yourself on financial matters and be disciplined in your approach. Patience and consistency are key as wealth building takes time. Regularly reassess and adjust your financial strategies to align with your goals. Remember, becoming a millionaire requires dedication, smart financial decisions, and a long-term perspective. Making money online without any investment requires creativity, dedication, and a strategic approach. Here's a detailed guide on various methods to generate income without spending money. Freelancing. Consider your skills and offer services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, freelancing allows you to earn based on your expertise. Online surveys and reviews. Participate in online surveys and write product reviews. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research offer monetary rewards for completing surveys and providing feedback. Content creation. Create content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Medium. Whether it's videos, short clips, or articles, engaging content can attract viewers and generate ad revenue or sponsorship opportunities. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs of companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Share these links on social media or through a blog. Virtual assistants. Offer virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs. Tasks may include email management, data entry, or social media scheduling. Websites like TaskRabbit or Remote.co can help you find opportunities. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, consider online tutoring. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com connect students with tutors, allowing you to share your knowledge and earn money. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or online courses. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy to set up an online store and reach a global audience. Remote customer service. Provide customer service from the comfort of your home. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives. Check websites like Indeed or Remote OK for opportunities. Stock photography. If you're good at photography, sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Each download earns you a royalty fee. Online gaming. Participate in online gaming tournaments or live stream your gaming sessions on platforms like Twitch. You can earn money through ad revenue, donations, or sponsorships from gaming-related companies. Conclusion. While making money online without any investment is possible, it's essential to be patient and persistent. Experiment with different methods, leverage your skills, and stay committed to building your online presence. Remember that success may not come overnight, but with dedication and smart strategies, you can generate income and potentially turn your online ventures into a sustainable source of revenue.